So now we're going to look at the train test split with sklearn. So we're going to do train test split. I like to get a list of the columns, and this is where I would create an access point in my workflow to allow selecting features or not selecting features. So we have a list here. If you go .info, what we can see here is we have a list of our features. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a list of our features there. We're going to put our target in another list. And what we're going to do is we're going to extract this from the data frame. So features equals large X, target equals small x. And the large X is just meant to represent that there's more than one feature. So we usually use, in machine learning, we usually use a large X. So once we have the X and the Y set, and we're going to go X train, X test, Y train, Y test is equal to, and we want to make sure that we have this ordering correct. We want to make sure that we then call the train test split. We'll put X and Y, and we're going to set the test size to 0.3. So 30% of this data frame is going to be saved in reserve. 30% of the rows will be saved in reserve for us to test.